Danger, danger. Somebody still working the frame for the mosquito netting. But we'll see how it cools off as the sun goes down. Tonight, the first trial. Sleeping in the cab. Ooh, strapping. Oops. Tung นอนสบายนะ Oh yeah. Oh, terrible. Terrible life by the clone. Yeah, scratch. Oh, scratch. Quick gear preview of our bootstrapping overland tour. Got a couple of outdoor foldable chairs, different styles. There's the bug zapper for killing the mosquitoes that make it past our net configuration. More on that later. Another foldable, the foldable white table, small gas stove, runs on butane. Put the tanks in there, pot and a pan that'll cook us just about everything. These boxes, 50-60 liters, we're going to use 4 of those to carry clothes, dry goods, cooking materials, and we're not sure about the last one. Now let's have a look at it all folded up and see, because all that will ride in the back with the mattress rolled up when we're driving, and when we make camp it'll be either outside or stored in the cab of the truck while we do our thing. And here's the gear, the primary gear, all broken down. Chairs folded, table folded, cooler wrapped up, fan extends up to 1 meter high, and that rolls up like that for use. Pots and pans, a stove in the black box. Let's say 4 of those totes for gear. We got some gas to keep us cooking, which we're going to do now as a test. And that's basically going to be our gear. We're not even going to have a roof rack to do this. It is pure bootstrapping. Right, Winnie? Meow, 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 meow. Yeah. First moments with the new grill, butane, suki dinner. get the suki started. And while we wait, we'll have the mussels put back down for now. Oh, there we go. And yeah, let the suki simmer.